Data is information that is collected and recorded, often to be analyzed and used to make decisions or draw conclusions. It can take many forms: numbers, text, images, measurements, or even sounds, and is generated from almost every action or observation around us. For example, every temperature reading, social media post, survey answer, or scientific measurement is a piece of data. Data becomes valuable when it's organized and interpreted, allowing us to identify patterns, answer questions, solve problems, or understand trends. Scientists, businesses, and governments use data to make informed choices, whether it's in conducting research, improving products, planning cities, or even predicting future events. Data is essential in science because it forms the backbone of research and experimentation, allowing scientists to observe patterns, test hypotheses, and validate theories. By collecting and analyzing data, scientists can make discoveries, solve problems, and develop new technologies. Let's look at a few specific examples to see how data is used in science. 1. Tracking environmental changes. Data collection is crucial for understanding and responding to environmental changes. For example, scientists collect data on temperature, sea levels, carbon dioxide concentrations, and weather patterns to study climate change. By analyzing decades of temperature records, researchers can identify warming trends and predict future changes in climate. This data allows scientists to make evidence-based recommendations for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and helps policymakers understand the urgent need to address global warming. In addition, satellite images and sensor data allow scientists to monitor deforestation, ocean pollution, and the melting of polar ice caps. This continuous data stream is valuable in tracking how human activities impact the environment and how these changes affect ecosystems worldwide. 2. Medical research and public health. Data plays a critical role in advancing medical research and improving public health. During disease outbreaks, health organizations collect and analyze data on infection rates, symptoms, and recovery outcomes. For instance, during the COVID-19 pandemic, data on case numbers, hospitalizations, and vaccine effectiveness helped scientists understand how the virus spread, who was most at risk, and how effective different treatments were. With this data, health authorities could recommend safety measures, develop targeted treatment plans, and distribute vaccines more effectively. In medical research, data from clinical trials is essential to testing new medications and treatments. By carefully monitoring the health of trial participants, scientists can gather data on the effectiveness and potential side effects of a new drug. This helps determine if it's safe for wider use and whether it offers benefits over existing treatments. 3. Astronomy and space exploration. Astronomers rely on data collected from telescopes, satellites, and space probes to study the universe. For example, data from the Hubble Space Telescope has provided insights into distant galaxies, stars, and other celestial phenomena. By analyzing this data, scientists have been able to estimate the age of the universe, study black holes, and even discover new planets. In addition, data collected from Mars rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance has helped scientists understand the conditions on Mars, including its atmosphere, soil composition, and potential for past life. This data is essential for future space exploration missions, as it helps scientists prepare for the challenges of sending humans to other planets. 4. Agricultural science in agriculture. Data is used to improve crop yields, monitor soil health, and develop pest control methods. By collecting data on soil moisture, nutrient levels, and weather patterns, scientists can help farmers understand the best planting and harvesting times. For example, data-driven precision farming allows farmers to apply water and fertilizer in the exact amounts needed, reducing waste and maximizing crop productivity. Drones and remote sensors also collect data on plant health and pest activity, helping scientists develop targeted pest control methods that minimize chemical use. This data supports sustainable agriculture by ensuring efficient resource use and reducing environmental impact. 5. Physics experiments and engineering in physics. Data is essential for testing theories and understanding the fundamental laws of nature. For instance, data from particle accelerators, like the Large Hadron Collider, has allowed scientists to observe particles like the Higgs boson. which supports our understanding of how particles acquire mass. This data confirms theoretical models and advances our knowledge of particle physics. In engineering, data on material strength, temperature tolerance, and stress resistance is crucial for designing safe structures like bridges and buildings. Engineers use this data to simulate real-world conditions, ensuring that structures are built to withstand forces like wind, earthquakes, and heavy loads. Each of these examples shows how data is the foundation of scientific inquiry and technological advancement. By carefully collecting and analyzing data, scientists can draw meaningful conclusions, make predictions, and create solutions to some of society's most complex problems.